Hi everyone, let me introduce Syncory. Syncory is just cloud modern phone book. It syncs your contacts to Yellings, Cisco and Grandsim and Fenwell. So it's like remote phone directory. So you don't need to update manual XML file or manual updates. You don't need to put your XML file on open cloud, like open website. So here you can log down with your public IP. So they have simple transfer pricing. So here starter, pro and premium. Starter have only 20 contacts and 20 internal contacts. I'll mention you what's that mean. Internal contacts, you have 2 department, 5 devices and 1 handset brand and 1 IP whitelisted. Okay, so in pro you have unlimited remotely contacts and unlimited internal contacts, 3 departments, 15 devices, 1 handset brand, and you can upload CSV bulk imports. In premium you have everything in pro, plus you have 3 offices IP, 3 team members you can add it, so they can add it for you, all the contacts or whatever you want them to do. So they have different roles as well. 5 departments, 35 devices, priority support, analytical dashboard. Also in custom, if you have more than 35 to 60 devices or 60 devices, it will help you, like you can add 10 team members. So this is for enterprise most of the time. 6 remote sites, 60 devices included initially, and then we have charged $1 per site, $2 per team member, and $90 per device. So it's pretty good here. Let's have a look how it's look like. So it's here, that's the dashboard. When you sign up, it's take you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard, so Dutch directory, and that's internal contact is just contact for you, so you can add all the contacts. Is like centralized location, so you don't scramble your CRM and your files and where the contacts are. So you can add all the staff members. So you say, hey, department is staff, so all the contacts in the staff, and you can sort it by the staff. For example, you can have a name or anything like staff or anything. These, for example, like wholesaler, supplier. So you can have all the wholesalers here on all the suppliers here, and you keep updating here, and then you know where the stuff needs to go, and then you can download as a CSV file and Excel file, and you can distribute to your staff member. So you know it's like quickly add it. So here, do you want to update the phone number 0756 1616 655 655, and you said update, and it will update the thing for you. For some reason it's not updating at the moment, but it does. So it's take notes there. So thank you note. If it doesn't work, so you just refresh. So let's go there. So like edit, thank you note, and click update. So it's a contact updates, it's there. If you like to add office, 0756 166 555, say update. So it'll update instantly. Sometimes like slow down. At the moment I think the server does not have much resources, but let's see how it goes. So wholesaler, so this is the wholesaler. If you can reset it, you can reset, so you can update here. So I would say test at gmail.com. They said they want to update the emails for you, so you want to add it, update the email for that wholesaler, saying hey, you want to send all the contacts. Say hey, if you want to add contacts here, say hey, this email for accounts only. Say hey, test. So there you go. So it's updating instantly as you see it. So there's a directory here. So if you want to add the here directory, for example, supplier, like, okay, supplier name is John, supplier, I would say doctor. Let's see, doctor. So click doctor, number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and save the contacts. So the doctor is there. So what do we need to do here? If I say confirm, and just need to get the password again. So here, copy. So how say, if you have no patience to wait, you just go and log into the phone and you say confirm. It automatically progress and sync it. And if I look at my remote directory and full directory, I can see the doctors are there. So now you can see here, so if I say remote directory, click on it, so you see full directory here and it's loading. So the Omen doctor, John is MK is marketing, and support is SU. So it's abbreviating everything. You click on it. See, it is working perfectly. So instantly updating it. So you can see it is updating perfectly fine. So that's how you add your internal remote directories in directories. So his internal, so you can update it all the sides. So remove here, so you can see analytical what's happening there. So sync it. Just loading at the moment. It's just slow. So this is the full directory you can see here. You can give the name as you like. So, but I leave it as it is, as per the URL provisioning in the sync system. So there you go. I changed my directory to here, but this doesn't make any sense why it's happening. But we go there, and it's like the yelling. It's gonna break my thing. So I'm gonna go back, because this is how the XML format is changing. So we need to be careful what we're doing here. So we have to be careful what we're doing, because if you change to the wrong format, it will break the XML, because how is it configuring it. So yeah, so just make sure it matches with your handset brand. So here, so how we configure it's configured properly. So you click on it, copy the URL and go to the browser, and you can see it. So see how yelling phone there. So this is the browser. It's great. Thank you. So that's how it shows there too. So that's how it's working. Thank you. Bye for now.